Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by stabilizing the shoe and removing laces so you can reach edges. Once done, wipe with a damp cloth to remove dirt. Drying prevents streaks. Next, choose a degloss approach, rubbing alcohol, saddle soap, or matte shoe cream, and test it on an inconspicuous spot to check color and finish. Do this because different leathers react differently. Testing avoids damage. Now that your shoe is dry and tested, you're ready to apply the first treatment gently and evenly. You will reduce shine by working methodically. Apply product sparingly and move in small circular motions to break the glossy top layer without scuffing. Make sure to use cotton or microfiber. These control friction and pick up dissolved polish. If shine persists, repeat with a second, slightly firmer pass, but avoid heavy abrasion. Between passes, check color and edge seems to prevent stripping dye. Once the surface looks consistently matte, let the shoe rest so that you finish by gently buffing to even out texture. This aligns fibers and removes residue while preserving the matte look. Then treat conditioning. Apply sparingly to edges only and skip high-gloss polishes, which will reintroduce shine. Make sure to let conditioner absorb overnight for best results. If you notice patchy color or excessive dulling, stop immediately. Attempting more abrasion can worsen it. In that case, consult a leather specialist or use a color matching cream to restore uniform appearance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.